Check in. To arrive or register at a hotel.
We need to check in at the hotel before 3 p.m. She checked in at the airport before her flight.
Bring up. To look after a child until it becomes an adult.
It's not easy to bring up kids. Parents bring up their children with love.
Look after. To take care of someone.
I look after my little brother. She looked after her grandmother.
Put up with. To tolerate or endure something.
I can't put up with these noisy children. She puts up with his friends' bad habits.
Call off. To cancel an event or agreement.
The match was called off due to heavy rain. They had to call off the meeting due to bad weather.
Split up. To separate.
Let's split up into teams for the game. The couple split up because of constant arguments.
Get along. To have a friendly relationship.
He gets along with everyone in the family. I get along with my classmates really well.
Name after. To give someone the same name as another person.
She named their daughter after his grandmother. He named the dog after his favorite character.
Grow up. To develop into an adult. To mature.
Plants grow when they get sunlight and water. Children grow quickly during their first years.
Take after. To be similar to an older member of your family.
He takes after his father's sense of humor. The baby takes after her dad's curly hair.
Live with. To live in the same house.
I still live with my parents. She lives with her best friend in an apartment.
Take out. To remove something from somewhere.
Can you take out the trash, please? He took out the broken chair to the trash.
Look for. To try to find.
I'm looking for my keys. We need to look for the missing documents.
Get together. An informal social meeting or party.
They got together to celebrate her birthday. Old friends love to get together and reminisce.
Pick up. To lift something using your hands.
Can you pick up the book from the floor? She picked up some fresh fruits at the market.